Our mission at Orange City Area Health System is to provide high-quality care close to home, but without sacrificing the benefits of going to a larger hospital. Our radiology department is well stocked with the latest and greatest in technology. And now we've added on this new technology, the DDR, to replace fluoroscopy. This offers what some of our local hospitals are not able to offer anymore. Fluoroscopy is a continuous picture, continuous exposure to radiation. The DDR is a pulsed image that puts it into a live action shot of what's going on within the body. It reduces the dose while still getting the same quality image. However, to replace a fluoroscopy machine, the cost is double what we purchased this machine for. And beyond that, it has potential in orthopedics, in spine care, that are still being developed. And when they are here, we're ready for them. And that definitely helps our patients, saving them miles on the road, time off of work, a day away to go to the larger facilities. They can come up here, right here at home. It just made sense.